Hi, I'm Ali and I work in the repair centre here in Poole.
My name is Elaine and I provide customer support for order management and logistics.
Hi, my name is Cameron and I work at the logistics department at Yunex Traffic.
I love working in Poole. I've been here for about 10 years now. It's a fantastic place to be, the people are great and I love working in this environment in this factory.
I love what I do because I get to work with so many different people, guys in production and also our customers all around the world.
I love working with a sustainability team because not only are we making changes locally or even nationally, but with global manufacturing facility like this, we're able to change global conditions with a sustainable mobility all over.
One thing I love about my role as a sustainability champion is day to day we see the amount of work going in and coming out from the customer. And we're making a positive change by replacing the plastic with cardboard.
We contribute by improving our processes and reducing our transport emissions.
Working in manufacturing gives me an opportunity to work with different people that I may never have met.
To join the team, there's lots of variety, whether it's within projects, people, jobs or location.
I look forward to my future here, and you should too.